This tea is gonna help you a lot increase your immunity and fight against oxidative stress. Ingredients: 1/2 cup mixed dry berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, peel of 1 organic orange, 300 milliliters boiling water, honey, optional for sweetness. Preparation: place mixed dry berries and orange peel in a tea infuser or directly into teapot. Put boiling water over the ingredients and cover. Steep 5 to 7 minutes for full flavor and nutrient release. Stain in the mug or pitcher. Sweeten with honey if desired. How to use? You enjoy this tea first thing in the morning to kickstart your day with a burst of antioxidants or refreshing mind afternoon pick-me-up. Regular consumption aids combination of free radicals supporting your cellular health in very natural way.